Why is car insurance often more expensive for younger drivers? The amount you pay for car insurance ultimately depends upon how risky the insurance company thinks you are to insure. A number of factors can contribute to this, including your location, your driving history, and your age. According to the Transport Accident Commission, TAC, young drivers in Victoria are almost 4 times more likely to be in a car accident, which results in a serious injury or crash, than more experienced drivers. Factors like this may increase the car insurance premium for young drivers. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.